You can expect a lot from the 2005 Toyota Highlander. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a roof rack, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.